Yep, sway bar just couldn't handle whatever it was. Looks like it broke a while ago too, huh? Yeah. Put it like that, you can't tell. Yeah, that's what the sway bars broke on. I like my Chinese clone. Bash all you want. Here soon, buddy of mine, he's got a rhino, same size. We'll do a little comparison for everyone here in the next, couple weeks, I guess. Also got this little maple tree to cut. I think I gotta remove the fence first. It's limbs are falling out and everything on my grandmother's house, and I just can't have that no more. And then this is my new house. Don't it look nice? Yeah, if you ain't figured it out, she caught fire. So, needless to say, it's getting tore down here eventually also. As we're walking over here to make sure the cows got water and tend the chickens and stop off at my uncle's house to unload some coal. That's my old house. When my mother moved from Florida and I had lost, I don't know, too much, and I was living by myself, so I let her go ahead and have my old house. And there's that damn noisy bridge. Here's my young Jersey bull calf. His name's Jelly Bean. He was born Saturday before Easter. There goes a free-range mother hen and her babies, and a rooster that, well, the hen can't keep penned in, so she actually sat on 2 clutches of eggs this year and raised babies twice. There's my horse. That's my old stud horse Champ. He's leaving this week. I would like to be able to do a little better videos, but right now all I got's my phone, so it'll just have to work. Besides, who wants to bring a camera out when it's raining and everything else? There's my yearling heifer calf. She's a Jersey and Hereford cross, and there's her little mother. And this right here's another milk cow. She ain't been bred yet. I'm hoping to get her bred this year. She's finally growed up a little bit. And I'm probably going to dehorn her. And once I know that she's gotten bred and everything, I am going to probably be selling her off to someone that wants a family milk cow. There's a wild cat. I don't know where the cats come from, but they're here. And this is Ladybug, my daughter's pet pig. She's a talker. Alright. Well, I am almost to my uncle's house now. They're traipsing through the mud of the swamp that used to be a barnyard. And right up there's my uncle biking into his house. He isn't in the best of health, so you know, gotta help out whenever you can. This is my backhoe. My uncle bought it in the 80s. It was a Case 530 Construction King. And I just recently bought it off him. Here's an expensive thing. And that's about really all I can say. Other than when you pay as much money as you do with something with that stamp right there on it, never let anyone else run it, or it will be costly in repairs. Trust me, I know. Here's a brush pile from the tree I cut down in his backyard the other weekend before it decided to rain again.